Hi everyone, it's Brooklyn Maple on Legendary Cooking with the River City Weekend. Today we are making a wonderful recipe that's perfect for the new year and all of your great resolutions. We are doing turkey and rice stuffed bell peppers. They are absolutely delicious and super easy to make. We are going to start with 6 green bell peppers. You can use red or orange if you'd like as well. We are going to cut the tops off and then clean the insides. Perfect. What we have over here is a greased baking pan. Now use whatever size you have at home. The goal is to get an 11 by 7, but at the end of the day, whatever you have will be just fine. We've also preheated the oven to 400 degrees. What I have here is 2 cups of tomato sauce, and I'm just going to pour that into the bottom of this baking pan. Then I'm going to place all 6 as flat as I can. You're going to want to keep them close together because it will help them stand up whenever they start to cook. We are now going to start with the most important part, which is the Kentucky Legend oven roasted turkey. We have 3 cups. Since it's already cooked, all you have to do is dice it up. This smells so fresh and delicious. We are going to loosely pack it into all of the bell peppers. Then you're going to add the rest of your mozzarella on top. And now we are going to wrap it with aluminum foil and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Once we hit that time, we are going to take it back out, remove the aluminum foil, and then cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes to ensure that the bell peppers are fully cooked. This looks beautiful and will definitely help you stay on track for your New Year's resolutions. For this delicious recipe and many more, make sure that you check us out on Legendary Cooking at rivercityweekend.com.